was just kidding around just now.
No,
Don't pay me no mind.
I'm breathing.
I misunderstood. I thought you was being funny.
No.
What the?
All right.
Sorry. If you had to choose between tacos veganos and hummus republic, what would you choose?
I would do a mushroom bowl from hummus. Excuse me.
But record. I'll follow up after.
What's so funny, yo?
Inhaling your fart.
No, no.
You bringing it back in.
Yo, 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 what's the dealio, man? Listen, you already know what time it is. I got a straight what? Banger for you. All right. So listen, we are going into this weekend is going to be the fall, right? Equinox, the fall, not the solstice, but the equinox, right? So basically it's a new season. Okay. Here's what I want you to understand. Let's spend a little bit of time right here, real quick, right? You can change your life over the next 90 days in the stock market. You can absolutely change your life in the stock market, okay? And what we're going to talk about this in this video is how to change your life in 90 days in the stock market, all right? So if y'all tuning in, man, do me a favor, like this video real quick and also subscribe to the channel. All right, we almost at 2,500 subscribers. We just moving on up there. All right, so be sure to subscribe to this channel. Get alerted every time I drop a video. I bring videos to you every single day. All right. So with that being said, we have 90 days. Okay. So first off, I want you to understand how businesses work. Right? Companies. A lot of times, a company will break even January all the way through September, and their profit, they make their profit in October, November, and December, right? And so the same thing could be for, I don't want to say it could be for your trading, but if you've had a bad year up to this point, right? Last year in the beginning, I was learning, right? Started to get a little bit of consistency. Last 2 months of the year, I went silly, okay? And so then I got consistency this year and just being consistent with my profits this year, right? But the next 3 months, I plan on blowing it out the water. And why? Because this year has been a breeding ground of lessons, right? And a lot of wisdom and knowledge. And the same thing could be for you. So, a couple things I want to focus on, right? So, for the next 90 days, number one, I want you to focus on what are you actually trading, okay? What are you actually trading? You want to get to a place where you know what you're trading. When you get into an entry, you should be able to say exactly why you got into that trade, right? Exactly why. There should be no question. There should be no confusion. You should know exactly why you're getting into the trade. And then, if you know why you're getting into the trade, you can then do what? Replicate it. You can do it over and over and over and over again, right? Don't matter what the stock is, if the setup is there and the volume is there and the spreads are there, if everything checks out, you take an entry, right? So you need to know what you're trading. And also, I want you to really focus on swing trading or day trading, right? There's a different mentality that you need when it comes to swing trading or day trading. If you have one account, I want you to focus on one of them, swing trading or day trading, right? Because if you have your swing trades in one account and you're day trading out of the same account, it's going to mess with your head. It is going to mess with your head. I'm telling you this for a reason, okay? So you got to ask yourself, okay, what am I going to focus on? You can make big money doing both, But I do want you to understand and remember, the further out your expiration or the further out your outlook, the more likely you are to be successful at a thing. So if you get in a trade and you're basing it off a 5 minute time frame, there is a higher likelihood that you can lose money on that trade versus if you're taking a trade that you plan on being in for a month, right? At the end of the day, if you're looking at a stock and you have a expiration date out 2 months, there's a high likelihood that you'll be able to get out of that trade in profit. Even if it's not a lot, you'll be able to have a win. And when you have a win, what happens? You're going to be able to make some money, okay? And then you could build on top of that. So that first thing is like the strategy, right? What are you trading? Like really, really, really get serious with this stuff, y'all. Really get serious with this stuff. You should have this down to a science. You should have it down to a science, okay? And when you have it down to a science, everything is going to turn up for you because you've been obsessing over this thing and it continues to get clearer and clearer and clearer. It's like being a mad scientist, right? Think about it. The people that create big things and do big things in this world, they obsess over something enough to give their energy to, and over time, the thing that they obsessed over, it really is able to blossom. Okay? So you want to really, really, really refine your strategy, right? Your trading strategy. Okay, so that's the first thing. The next thing is like, what is your mind, right? Like your psychology, your habits, your decision-making abilities, your emotions. Like we gotta really, really, really like take accountability for these things. We gotta really take an assessment of like how are we mentally for real. If you just got into an argument, don't take a trade. It's like if you don't know how to control yourself and your emotions, and you don't know how to compartmentalize things, then it's like you gotta learn how to not trade when your emotions is all over the place. You have to. This is how you're gonna make a lot of money. This may not be super flashy. None of my videos are flashy, but I'm here to give you the real, the stuff that will change your life, right? If you want to make, let's say you want to make 25K over the next 90 days. All you got to do is what this video is saying. I'm telling you, I've done it multiple times, right? So you really want to understand your psychology. Write it down. Like, why am I getting out of this trade? Why do I get out of trades every single time right before it goes to the upside? Why? And then you gotta learn how to answer these things. Please, please, please understand the power and the importance of understanding this about yourself. Don't just wake up and trade, right? Like really, really, really assess where you at with everything. I'm giving you the keys on how to go make however much money you want to make over the next 90 days. We got the execution part, right? But we also have the planning, right? The mindset part, right? So you got to get down to the bottom of your bullshit and your psychology. You have to get down to the bottom of the bullshit, your bullshit, and the psychology. All right? Why are you always getting in trades too early? Why are you always getting in trades too late? Why are you never able to get out of a trade if it's going in the wrong direction? Why? Like, only you can answer these questions, right? Only you can answer these questions. Because it don't matter whatever the stock is, right? How you trade is way more important than whatever stock that you choose to trade that day. It's not about the stock, it's about you. You want to master the stock market. Number one, you got to understand that it's a lifelong process. It's a lifelong journey to master the stock market because it's forever changing. It's very complex. You got algorithms. This ain't just a simple thing. This is a very complex instrument. We talking about the financial markets. We are talking about the financial markets, right? So understanding the psychology part of it, you got to get down to what is going on within you on a consistent basis, and you got to take an assessment, right, of what's going on. Like, please, please, please understand that. All right. So then the next thing is, I want you guys to understand the power of compounding your money, right? If you lose $80, right, and your account is $1,000, right, you lost 8% of your account. Don't ever allow yourself to lose more than 3% of your account, right? And always focus on a minimum of 3% account growth every single day. If you focus on growing your account by 3%, it may not sound like a lot, but every 30 days you're going to be doubling your account up. Every single 30 days you're going to be doubling your account if your account grows by 3% a day. Right? So it's like, understand the power of the compounding with your efforts, the compounding with your studying, the compounding with you showing up, the compounding studying the charts, reading the charts, right? Weekend study sessions, all of that stuff. Compounding, the compound theory, the compound effect. There's a book called The Compound Effect by Darren Hardy. I read that book years and years and years ago. It's powerful. The compound effect. You got to understand how the small actions that you take every single day is going to set you up in the future. It may not seem like a lot today. $100 may not seem like a lot. $40 may not seem like a lot. But it's better to be up $50 than to be down $200 because you was being greedy. So understand the power of compounding your account, your habits, your success, your results, right? Everything. Everything. Okay? And then, like, the next thing is, okay, finding stocks that are good to trade, right? I know that, you want to go try to find the next best stock. But I'm telling you, every single day, the stock market is going to present you with opportunities that can change your life in the biggest way possible. So if that's the case, right? If that's the case, you got to just understand how to find the stocks that are making the moves, okay? One thing that I'll say is stop trading stocks with wide spreads, the bid versus the ask. If the bid is at $1 and the ask is at $3.50, stop trading that stock, okay? Another one, if a stock don't move, if a stock only moves by 80 cents, stop trading that stock, right? It's not a mover. You want to find stocks that make moves, that move $4, $5, $6, $8, $10 a day. When you learn how to find stocks that move every single day, you're going to be able to capture those movements. You see what I'm saying? So please, please, please understand that, right? This is about refining yourself. And this is about focusing on where you're going and your skill set. When you focus on your skill set, you win big over a long period of time. Okay? Over a long period of time, you will win big. And I'm telling you right now, 90 days sometimes to some people seems like a long time, right? But it's not. 90 days is nothing when you really, really, really understand the game that's being played here. You can set up the rest of your life in 90 days of the stock market. In 90 days of the stock market, you literally can set up the rest of your life. All you got to do is really allow yourself to focus. Get rid of the distractions. Stop worrying about, what's going on social media. Stop worrying about what they're saying. What's going on, what the latest gossip is. Right? Gossip about these charts. That's what you want to talk about. At some point in time, you got to be able to see the golden opportunity, right? What did we just talk about yesterday on Wisdom Wednesday? That golden opportunity, that golden pocket, right? I'm telling you, this next 90 days is a little pocket. If you get into this pocket and you take advantage of this pocket, you can really, really, really position yourself for the next 12 months. Because in the next 12 months, I got a lot of stuff that I want to do for you guys, but you could really, really, really go crazy. You could really, really, really go crazy this year, right? Like 2026. If you set up yourself for the next 3 months, next 90 days, Going into 2026, you are going to have a strategy. You're going to have clarity. You're going to know exactly what you're doing. And then next year, you're going to have a whole new year. A whole new year to do all of this all over again from January to December. If you do that, I promise you, you are not going to be messed with. You're going to be a sniper. You're going to be a savage on the charts, a savage in the stock market. All right? So listen, y'all. This is how we going to do this. Okay? The next 90 days is all in. All in. All in. That's all you focusing on this next 90 days is mastering the stock market, mastering trading. If you need to join a trading family, come join us over on the Prosperity Collective. Click the link in the description, right? If you want to book a one-on-one, then click the link in the description. We'll book a one-on-one. But I really, really, really want you to focus and take this stuff serious because we are talking about an opportunity that can free you for the rest of your life. The rest of your life, not for a month, not for 2 weeks, not give you a vacation. We talking about a skill set that could free you for the rest of your life. All you got to do is master yourself. All right? So listen, I hope that made sense for you guys. I hope that you locked in. If you made it to this video, I want you to put locked in the comments, right? I want you to put locked in the comments. If you locked in for this next 90 days, then let's make it happen. Let's go make the most amount of money that we ever made over the next 90 days. Because the stock market is the only place where you could wake up to $10, $15, $20,000, right? I'm telling you, the moves are going to happen in the stock market, but you got to mentally be ready for them, all right? So listen, y'all, like I always say, make sure you get up out of your head and go get into this world because your head is a dangerous place to live, all right? And also remember, y'all, the more you study, the less you worry, all right? I appreciate y'all tuning in. Y'all stay smooth, man. I'm going to catch you guys on the next video. Peace.